Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I bet he looks back on this with regret. One Nigeria as Nnamdi Kanu and his yellow gari munching band of musketeers likes to put it. Guys, I bring you this. As president, I didn't pursue a personal agenda, a headline attributed to Obasanjo. So this is now Obasanjo revisiting his tenure as the president of Nigeria and giving account for that period. So again, the headline, as president, I didn't pursue personal interest. So now let's now see what explanation Baba Yabo has for us. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has said everything he did whilst in office was in the best interest of the country rather than his personal gain. He also said those who claimed he did nothing for the Southwest or the Yorubas were wrong. The ex-president said he remained worried that despite Nigeria's enormous potential for greatness, steps were not being taken to translate that potential into reality. Obasanjo said these in an interview published on Monday. Obasanjo said, "People who worked with me, it doesn't matter where they come from, they remember what we did together. There is no question of favoritism. There is no question of, yes, this is my kith and kin. There is no question of this is my personal interest. I never said that we did not make mistakes or we were perfect, but whatever mistakes we made were genuine mistakes. It wasn't a mistake we made as a result of selfishness." Reacting to claims that he neglected the Yoruba whilst in office, Obasanjo said, "Some Yorubas have come to me and said you didn't do enough for the Yorubas. And I said, yes, did I do for Nigeria? They said you did. I asked, is Yoruba not part of Nigeria? If I did as I could for Nigeria and Yoruba is part of Nigeria, then I have done for the Yorubas as well as I have done for Igbo, Hausa, and so on. I think that must guide us. The point you must bear in mind is that this country can be a great country. We have everything to make this country great, and that is what always worries me. When you see what we can do, how to do it, and we're not doing it, this is really unfortunate. Can we get there? I believe we can. All we need is one generation of consistency in leadership. We will be there. That is what we need. We need one generation of right leadership consistently. Obasanjo advised the current leadership of the country to be inquisitive about what is going on around them instead of shutting their doors. So this is now Obasanjo now speaking to that age-long narrative of not doing anything for Yoruba land whilst he was in office. This is something, of course, that Goodluck Jonathan was guilty of as well. So this seems to be a southern malaise, because if you look at the trajectory of governance within the Nigerian space, anytime that the northerners have power, they favor their own, and especially so now in this present manifestation that we have now. There is nothing that Buhari cares for outside of his own geographical space, which is the north. Everything is northern. Every appointment is northern. They are now even piping gas now from the south, where is the south, that's where the gas is, isn't it? They are now piping gas now from the south, from the Niger Delta area all the way to Kaduna. So you cannot refine the gas in the south, and all the refineries, of course, in Nigeria also they're in Kaduna. There's no refinery where the oil actually is. The army barracks, all the army headquarters, their training school, etc., they're in the North Kaduna, etc., and all of the monies are in Kano. Everything goes to the north. All the not all, but a good majority of the oil barons within the Nigerian space, they are northerners. They're from Borno. There's no oil in Borno, but the largest oil barons in Nigeria, you find them in Borno, in Adamawa. The only thing they have in Adamawa is dead land and goats. That's all they have. I think they have a bit of goat in Adamawa, to be honest, but that goat they are keeping to themselves. They are not declaring it to the Nigerian state, whilst they're still taking all of the oil from the Niger Delta region. But this guy now, Obasanjo, when he was in power, he did not do anything for his own region of the country, thinking one Nigeria, as Nnamdi Kanu and his band of merry men, they've now coined that phrase, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. So he was off that mindset, but that mindset, of course, is not shared by the entirety of the country, and a good half, if they go by the population size, a large majority then of the country does not share that mindset, and this is what we see playing out now. Conversations in the comment section. Obasanjo, in his own words, has now admitted that he did nothing for the Yorubas. This is something we have all known. What says you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button as well. That notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps YouTube to promote the video. It helps with the algorithm. Once you've done all 3 clicks, come then into the comment section to come engage with me regarding this matter. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.